let's take a look at this taco dinner kit. It's by Tex-Mex Salsa Lito. Costs around 240 rupees or around $5 or so. Serves 4 people. You get 12 taco shells plus taco seasoning mix plus taco salsa in this kit with a 20-minute recipe. That's the recipe. They have a vegetarian recipe and a non-vegetarian recipe. Info about each of the kits and where it's packaged. It's manufactured in Tamil Nadu, India. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes to heat up your tacos and make your favorite filling with a seasoning mix. Stuff the filling in the taco, add taco salsa and enjoy. So let's see what we get. That's what we get. Let's make these. The seasoning mix is perfectly seasoned and goes really well with the taco. Because you are making it on your own, you can put as little or as much as you want. Quite nice. Check it out.